Every shipment of your perishable products is an opportunity to promote and strengthen your company brand. With LoBoy's custom-labeled coolers, your package doesn't just arrive protected, it arrives remembered. We start with our thick-wall, lab-tested coolers built to protect and maintain safe temperatures and handle serious shipping conditions. Then we add your custom label, your logo, your message, your design right on the outside of every cooler that makes its way to your customers. Whether it's a bold image, a call to action, or just a clean company name, it turns each cooler into a mini billboard in motion. If you're shipping hundreds or thousands of shipments a month, don't miss a chance to make every one of those packages more profitable. Your product stays protected, your brand stays out front, and your legend grows. Call the LoBoy Client Solutions team at 888-243-1112 and ask about our custom labeled coolers, or go to styrofoamcoolers.com to see our selection of available coolers. Let's turn your packaging into a profitable promotion pipeline with LoBoy Custom Labeled Coolers.